Hey there and welcome. You ever stop and think about just how much information we're swimming in every single day? I mean, from the number of unread emails staring back at you to the color of the sky outside your window, it's a lot. So, how do we even begin to make sense of it all? Well, today we're going to go back to basics and find out the simple, super powerful way all that data is organized. No, seriously, think about it. Every single article you scroll through, every video you watch, even the conversations you have, that's all data. And yeah, it can get kind of overwhelming, right? It feels a little like trying to drink from a fire hose.
So, that's the big question, isn't it? In this massive ocean of information, where do you even start? Well, the answer is actually surprisingly simple. It all comes down to one single action. Yep, that's it. We have to sort it. Before we can do anything cool with data, like analyze it or understand it, we first have to figure out what kind of information we're even looking at. We've got to put it in the right buckets.
And the good news? There's really a great divide here. Pretty much all the information in the entire universe can be split into just two main types. That's it, just two. Okay, check this out. It really boils down to this. On one side, you've got quantitative data. The easiest way to remember this? Think quantity. This is all about numbers, stuff you can actually measure. Then, on the other side, you have qualitative data. And for this one, just think quality. This is all about descriptions, things you can see and observe, but can't really put a number on. All right, so let's jump into that first category. Let's really talk about this quantitative data. The key word here is numbers. If you can count it, if you can measure it, if you can stick a number on it, you're almost certainly looking at quantitative data. It's solid, it's specific, no gray areas. Like take 10 computers. That's a perfect example. Why? Because you can literally point and count them. 1, 2, 3, right up to 10. It's a hard number. Or how about 20 books? Same deal. It's not a feeling, it's not an opinion, it's a measurable fact. That number 20 is the data. It's as simple as that. And, just to give you a little sneak peek, this category actually breaks down even further into things called discrete and continuous data. But hey, we're not going to get bogged down in that today. We'll save that deep dive for another time. For now, the big takeaway is quantitative means numbers. Okay, so let's hop over to the other side of the data universe. What about all the stuff you can't stick a number on? Well, that's when you're talking about qualitative data. And the definition is pretty much the exact opposite of what we just talked about. This is data that you just can't represent with numbers. It's all about describing. So think about the color of a car. You wouldn't say the color is 7, right? You'd say it's fire engine red or sky blue. That's a quality, a description. The same goes for what you see in an image, or what you hear in a piece of music, or even the shape of a cool building you walk by. It's all about the characteristics. So just by knowing these two simple categories, you've basically got a brand new toolkit. It's like a new lens for looking at, well, everything.
I love this quote from Andrew McAfee. The world is one big data problem. And you know what? He's right. And if that's true, then just knowing how to sort that data, that's your first step to solving pretty much any problem.
And this table just lays it all out perfectly, doesn't it? Quantitative, numerical, stuff you count, like our computers and books. Qualitative, not numerical, stuff you describe, like colors and sounds. Honestly, this is the perfect little cheat sheet to lock this idea in your brain. So if you walk away with just one thing today, please let it be this. At the end of the day, it all comes down to one question. Can I count it or can I only describe it? That's the whole game right there. And with that, I want to leave you with a little challenge. Right now, just look around you, your room, your desk, whatever. How many things can you count and how many things can you only describe? Start looking at your world through this lens and ask yourself, what kind of data is my world really made of?